Hello students, last class we talk about addition, subtraction. Today let me see the exercise 5. Okay, I will tell you when you face this kind of subtraction, you may feel some difficulties. What? थोड़ा difficult है मतलब some difficulties when you face this kind of sums. Okay, I will tell you a simple and easy method. You just follow. Okay, let me see. I already told you last video. Whenever you do subtraction, we remember three important words. One is minuend, the two is subtrahend, the third one difference. Okay, these three important words are important in this subtraction sum. Okay, so the upside number we can say it's a minuend. What we call minuend. Then downside number we call subtrahend. Okay, after subtract this number we got some result. That the result we call difference. Okay, so we know minuend, subtrahend. Let me see how to find a difference. So here see, first we take one's row, unit row, first one's row, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is the way we have to subtract from right to left. So first we talk first one's unit. Okay, so minuend 0, subtrahend 4. We cannot subtract it. Okay, so what we do, we can do. So we have to borrow the nearest number. So here there is no number, we cannot subtract 0 to 4. So what we can do, we will subtract we have to borrow nearby number. But here also there is no number. Okay, so we have to come here, nearest number. But here also there is no number. Here, then here only we have. Okay, let me see some example. Suppose you want to 100 rupees. If you want to 100 rupees, if you will ask your friend, okay, he don't have amount, then what you will do, you will have asked to another friend. Okay, then he also no amount. What you will do, then you go to another person. This is the way you so wherever you find you need 100 rupees, so who have amount, you borrow from the from your friend, any friend. Okay, so the same as here I need one number, so I tried here, there is no number, then I tried here, here also there is no number, then here, then finally I got here. So what I will do, you cannot jump from to here to here. Okay, you can't jump from here to here. So see, let me see some example, simple example. If you are in your home, you want to go in modern public school. So can you jump from your home to school? You can't jump, na? So what you will do? You have to walk step by step. You have to cross all the street, all the villages. Then only you can reach your school. That is the logic, na? So the same here also. You cannot jump directly in this place, one's place. So what you will do? You have to go one by step. Then finally you can reach your place. So first I jump here, 1000 place. So I want to one borrow. So before it was 6, now it will become 5. So one jump here. Okay, now it will become a 10. Before it was 0, now become 10. Okay, now again I want to one jump. So jump now. So here 9, here 10. Before it was 0, now it will become 10. So again I want to jump because my school is there, my home is here. So I want to jump here. So I am going step by step. Okay, so here I want to jump next place. So now it's become 9. So I jump here 1000 place, sorry, 10th place. So here it become 10. So again I want to jump one's place. So here become 9, here 10. Yes. Now I got my place. Now I reach my school. Okay. Now I want to subtract this. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, 6. The difference is 6. Yes, now 10 minus 4, the difference is 6. Okay. Then here 9. 9 minus 5, the difference is 4. Okay. Here 9, here 4. The difference is 5. Okay. Then 9 minus 5. The difference is 4. Okay. Here 5. Here the downside 4. So 5 minus 4. Remainder 1. So you have to mention every time. This is the minihand. This is the subtrahend. This is the difference. You have to mark in your notebook. Okay. Okay, let me see the exercise 6. Okay, the same model, but there are number of digits is different. Okay, before we saw 5-digit number, now it will see 6-7-digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7-digit number. Okay, so let me see the same example but different sum. Okay, if the minihand all are 0, the subtrahend is different number. Okay, now how to solve this kind of sum? First, I told you, first we want to check the first unit. It means one's row. So minihand 0, subtrahend 7. If you want to subtract, always minihand is bigger number, subtrahend is smaller number. So no need to borrow. We can easily subtract. But if this situation, minihand is small, subtrahend is big, so we cannot subtract. In this situation, I told you before, I told you some example also. We want to borrow. I want to have some amount. So I search from my nearest friend. I asked to my nearest friend. He don't have money. So again I asked to another nearest friend. Then another nearest friend. So finally I got. So this is the situation. So I got amount. So directly I cannot come to my home. So I want to cross every these numbers. That is the logic. So I want to amount. So I search till end of the amount. So I got amount finally. Now I want to return my home. So I want to cross this all the numbers. So if I cross the numbers, what happened? You see. Okay. Now see. So I search here. I don't have amount. So I came to end of this number. So I got. So he gave 1 for me to me. So before he has 5 rupees, now he has 4 rupees. Because why? Because he gave 1 rupee for me. Yes, na? So 1 rupee I bring here. Now here become 10. Okay, but I want to go my home. So I took 9. Okay, I want to, because why become 9? Because I want to take 1 from this number. So 10 minus 1, 9. So again I go to here. So here 10. But I want to move, I want to jump the next place. So so 10 minus 1, 9. So 1 came here. Okay, the 1 come here, 1000 place. So again I want to jump 100 place. So before 10, now 10 minus 1, 9. So it become 9. Now here become 10. Now I want to jump 10th place. So here become 9. Now here 10. So again I want to jump. So here 9. Here become 10. Now see, I reach my home. Now I can give some amount to others. So I have 10 rupees. They have 7 rupees. So subtract from 10 to 7. What we get? 3. 10 minus 3. Sorry, 10 minus 7. 3. Okay, now he has 9 rupees. This person have 2 rupees. So 9 minus 2. 7 is the difference. Okay. Here 9 is there. Here 6 rupees there. So 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 6. 3. Okay. So here 9 rupees. Here 1 rupees. So 9 minus 1. 8 rupees. So here 9 rupees. Here 3 rupees. So 9 minus 3. 6 rupees. Here 9 rupees. here 5 rupees. So 9 minus 5, 4 rupees. Here 4 rupees, here also 4 rupees. So both are same now. So here we will put 0. So we know it's a middle hand, it's a upper hand, it's a difference. So how we can write 468373. The difference is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So 4,68,373 is the difference.